Hi. Oh God. So we are here cleaning out our little garden that we have. May I clean out the garden too. We cut off piece of the mint over there. So may I try to take it off so we can put it for dry so we can have mint tea. So let me show you a little garden and everything. Don't mind the yard, all bushy and thing. We don't cut the yard. So we call somebody to come in and cut the yard for us. Rain a fall, the place bush up very fast. So we take care of the garden area right now. So look what's in our little garden. Alright, Kim, give them a tour of your garden.
So far we have mango tree, but we're not gonna make it grow.
We not make it stay here,
right?
so
Because mango tree
as you
grow
can
big.
see veranda there.
And say this is not agricultural mango tree, so it will grow very big. And we have cactus,
Okay.
right? And we have wild pine. You don't know what is that?
Well, man.
And we have right here. This is custard apple, right? And we have papaya. We might make it stay.
Papaya.
It depends. Kind of say
I
papaya
don't
tree.
want these big trees at the front of the house.
After a while, papaya tree, like when them pick off them, they get them rotten. Then we have mint, and we have a mint. I will just cut off a piece of mint off.
Yeah, I'm just
And
telling
then
no
we
go
have
see
guinea.
there.
Unfortunately,
Hold on.
we have guinea. Unfortunately,
guinea.
this now gonna stay in our garden. We
You
don't
can't
need this
stay in
now.
there. The reason why it is there because one guinea tree they run a background there, so I go show I go walk on and
Yeah.
show the
And
bigger
then-
guinea tree. So because we eat guinea and we like choice seed.
All about the place.
And then yeah,
And
so
then
we
we
try to
have this
clean
little
up.
nice flowers. We are cut it down, but because it looks so nice, we make it stay for the garden.
I don't even know what it is.
And then we still
Majority of the things in the garden we did not plant.
we have this plant here, nice.
If you know the name of this plant, because I don't know it. I don't know the name of this plant.
We
And
have
this
another
wild sitting here caught me. Look here. I don't even know focus. You can see that?
Put up some more.
Look at that. It caught me and it caught me twice too. And the
the
mosquito
mosquito.
them out.
That's okay.
Alright guys, we have been having a lot of technical difficulties for the past 3 weeks, and I don't even know when this video is going to go up because Flo is giving us the runaround all the time. It has been 3 weeks now, and the power cord, not the power cord, the internet cable that comes to our house, it got damaged. I'm going to put a clip up of it was burned. We took a video of it. The cable cord that was above our flow line, it got burnt. So you know the flames or the whatever drop on the it flow line and burn it up. So we have issues. We have whole heap issues. So forgive us for not posting.
Definitely.
Because these are the issues that we are facing right now. So hope that you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I guess it probably may be a part of another vlog, or it just be a vlog all on its own. We will see what happens. So yeah, let me show you around the house the type of trees that we have, because I only think we can do right now. So I hope you guys still appreciate it. And yeah man, let's go. Alright, as I said before, I'm going to show you some of the stuff that is around the yard. And as I said before, don't mind how the yard bush up. Rainfall, a rainy time now, so the yard kind of grew up back really fast. So with that comes mosquitoes and everything. So repel and finish everything. So I'm just gonna show them. Alright, so in the yard over here we have mint. This is a type of mint. I don't know if I call it mint or whatever they call it. I'm not sure. If you know the name of it, you just let me know. And you know all of them are just wild stuff when you cut out, right? This is something called trumpet tree or something. Right, Kim? Trumpet tree. Trumpet tree. So yeah. And you have your fern. And I think they call this Joseph coat. Eh? Yeah. So this is called Joseph coat. I hope me I get them flowers here right in a Joseph coat. So it has two colors. I hit them Joseph coat. I think so. Well, they get too much now, so we just have cut out some of them as well. This tree. Can anybody tell me what this tree is in the comments? Or or whatever you call it. Look at it. Comment down below what it is. So at the end of the video, I'll tell you what tree it is. So you guys type what it is right now in the comments. Right now. Alright, so. And it runs all the way up there. On the top. On that top part up there. Alright, so round at the back of the yard. Alright, so as you can see here, we roast breadfruit by here, so very regularly. We had some stuff and we burn it there, so we just put the rim there and burn. We roast breadfruit. So all I roast breadfruit, so we do it outside instead of on the stove, where they go take up a whole heap of gas, and we're not about that life. Not at all. We don't do that. So place bushy. And this is the big guinea tree that I was telling you guys about. It is loaded. The guineas on there is semi-sweet, sometimes they're sour, sometimes they're sweet, sometimes they're stiny, sometimes they're juicy. So the tree, I go through some emotional phase. I give away one set, all different kinds. It's very versatile. So this is the tree, and you have the wild hills up there. All different kind of trees, the greenery that surrounds us. That's it. And then I think we have almond. We have an almond tree somewhere up in there, so as well. So nobody not really go over them place here, so probably if you tie out goat or something. Right, so you see over there, so very foresty. And then we have some akis. We get quite a few aki off of the tree here. I'm glad. See one up there, so we open. We need to go get it. And see what we get. A whole heap of open aki. Lord have mercy. We never realized there's so much open aki. Catch here. No man. Look, they up in there, top up in there, so we can't see them. But we never realized there's so much. I only saw one this morning, and it was this one. And then now me I see, cause me love aki, me love aki and saltfish, and it has been a craving of mine from when. So last night when me come home, me make aki and saltfish, cause I really feel for. So me make it when me come home. So down here, I guess I can't go down there, but I ain't walking into this forest, my dear. I will put land space underneath here, so We'll put forest and see almond tree up there, so I don't know if I can't go see it. Wanna hear that? That, my friend, is the thunder, cause rain I go fall. Rain did fall this just now, not very long ago as well, so it a go fall again for sure. We don't mind the rain because we need the rain to fill up with tank and stuff, because we don't have NWC. We can get it if we want, but I don't really believe in a paying water bill on a serious note. In the country, that is my personal belief. I don't know about anybody else, Me can boil my own water if that is the case, if me feel like boiling. Because when I was growing up, water never really boil. You catch in your tank, you go drink the same way. It has never affected me. It might affect you people who come from town and the belly not so strong and the stomach not so strong. So yeah, but me not believe them if it's supposed to pay water bill. Rainfall very frequently here. Unless it is during the summer, the drought time. We don't really have that very very often. So yeah, we have a tank around here, so we have air tank and another tank, and it is just two of us, so it will last. So when the rain falls, we like that. So yeah, as you can see the sky, I hear the thunder. Hmm? What's in here? So you know we have was the on the house. We spray them. Look here. We spray wash them and then come back. Look. We spray them here all the time and we lick down evening nest them and then come back same place. Come make nest and sitting. I don't know what else to do with them. I was saying, yeah, man. Then I get that hint. So, whoops. So our little garden, I am planning to put aloe vera plants right here. So I'm supposed to get the plants and plant here. So that's why we are cleaning the garden. And if you have any other pretty flowers that we want to plant, then we come here so come plant it. As for these big trees, as I said before, I think I will transplant them because we do have a papaya tree. I love some papaya. So we can transplant those. Just root them out and plant them somewhere else around the yard, because the yard is big. And yeah, Wapanesberry is on it. Let me zoom in. Open up there, see? There go anisberry right there. Oh gosh, so this is a anisberry tree. So anytime we want anisberry, it always a bear. So anytime we want to, we go and pick. So my time we lazy, we just stay up there and just right now and drop off. Alright, so pumpkin they over here. So it is not ours, but our neighbor is very kind, and if there's a lot of pumpkin that grow in a little patch here, so we can show it to us if we come pick. And yeah, this is cocoa. If you know the cocoa plant, is the huge leaves. Cocoa. And yeah, basically that's a going in our little garden. Floor just cramped style, so it's like, oh my god, it is just difficult to upload all of these contents. So I give you guys some different and all of that stuff. Yeah. So that is a pear tree right over there. Our neighbor gives us pear whenever he picks them, so we get pear. So and banana. And as usual, the greenery that surrounds us, so we never out of fresh nice air, because the trees filter everything for us. Yeah. Alright, so back to farmer garden. Rain a come. Oh yes, a lightning killing man, the producer man. But the garden, come on, nice. I'm sorry that we didn't have a before picture of the garden. We weren't thinking about doing a vlog about this because I don't know. We just never think, about it like that. But somebody was passing and he was like, make sure I no video it. Oh my god, guys, I'm not telling no lie. We love you so much. There is so much. We have emails to reply to. We have DMs to reply to. We just have so much, and the internet is not giving us a chance to do what we want to do in full.
No excuse me, so.
Eh?
It's
It's not to stop us, but or we are finding any excuse. If we don't have the internet, we can't. I'm saying no, everything that we are doing is internet based. So when we don't have the internet, no, it's like the purpose is defeated. So we love you guys so much, and yeah. So the person who so we must video it when I drive past, pick up yourself. We appreciate it. So this is how no clean up on a garden, alright?
That's it. So we just need to have plants in between everything. So when you take out the mango tree, something I'm going to replace it. You take out the guinea tree, something I'm going to replace it. When you take out the papa tree, something I'm going to replace it. But we're not going to make them so close. We're going to give them space.
Alright, so we wanted to whitewash the blocks that go around here just to make it look pretty, like for decor purpose, like you know, if it just make it look aesthetically pleasing, like Quaker Garden. You know what I'm saying? We never really take interest in this place. It's just recently we started taking interest in it, so there you go. And we're going to just clean up the bush them where we have pile up here, so carry away bush so that the front yard can look, so the front yard can look good. Okay. Oh man, the mosquito, boy. The mosquito here, a problem. Alright, so for the plant that I asked you to guess, if you guessed passion fruit, yeah, you got it correct. That is a passion fruit vine. I did not, honestly and truly, I did not know that the passion fruit grew on a vine like this. May I tell you the truth? If you didn't know the passion fruit grew up on a vine like this, comment down below. I did not know, honestly. Me think it grew up on one tree, like tree, like with a big, stem and them something. I never know say it grow like whisk like. You know? Farmer Brown said I have to go back go pick mint. So I go pick mint and yeah, we come back. I sell mint. Can't be a sell mint. They have both of mint players in the rad. Alright guys, so this is the amount of mint I got from off the little limb. So we're gonna wash them, put them for dry so that whenever we want some minty, we have mint to drink. Yeah. Okay, I'm still at work. Let me show you what we have to do in the meantime. As we talk about flour, we bought we want $500 phone card. So we had this. My cousin left this modem here. So we have to carry it from out of the room and carry it out here so we pick up. It's stressful. We have to go under just to try we best to get back into civilization. So no rain or fall. A rain or fall out there, you know. and sit here, so you know, so we have to move it soon. So yeah, life of a YouTuber in Jamaica. Alright, anyways, so this is where we end the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below something nice as usual, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet, and click the notification bell. It is right beside the subscribe button. You cannot miss it. As you click subscribe, it go and come up, so please click the one that has the double ring over the bell area. Thank you. Alright, so that will be all for today, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Take care. We love you.